Alright traders, I'm recording a trade as we have a high-low confirmation setup. What is this high-low confirming? Well, we have a new high, second entry low below EMA. We have a push above EMA. So this is a high-low confirmation of the second entry low. What am I looking at when it comes to context? Okay, we traded up really strongly. So the bias for the most part is bullish. We established some consolidation. So we have new market cycle consolidation and buyers are strongly holding this price level. And we are slowly but surely creeping above the EMA, creating higher highs and higher lows. So based on the structure, if I draw this secondary channel using the market geometry of the lows, I'm coming to a conclusion that I need to test new high following this channel. We're bouncing my exit, but we need to tick through. I'm scalping 12 ticks. Stop loss goes one tick below the signal bar. Okay, we got the scalp, so I'm going to place my stop loss to break even because I want to protect my trade. Runner is just a bonus. I'm going to give my runner room, so hopefully it makes sense. So you can see we have clear uptrend, so this is a very strong bullish bias. There's a small break in new high. You can also draw it a little bit wider to still expect new high for the main channel. But when I'm not sure, I just like playing it safe, focusing on more recent structure, because if I draw it tight, I'm not as lured into rushing into long trades. Support held, which is important that buyers are back in the market, so you trade it up into consolidation. So you're not thinking about selling, you're only thinking about buying. And you can see how market is creating high lows every single time. High low here, high low here, high low here, and another high low push above EMA. So bullish imbalance, we're not reaching the support. And this is the confirmation setup. I'm just drawing this channel. I have a second entry long below EMA. Push above is a resumption that the buyers are back in the market. And high low is the confirmation setup with a second entry long of the imbalance, pretty much of everything that we need new high. So I just was patient throughout this area because it's quite sideways, EMA on these bars. But once you're patient, the market will eventually offer you a high probability setup and everything will align. So this is a good demonstration of high low. I chased it because I saw instant push above, but I believe it retraced and still would have gotten your limit order. So let's see if we can get some runner here because market was really bullish. Alright traders, so this time we didn't get the runner. We got stopped at break even, but it was a good trade for a scalp. Uptrend breaking new high. So now I'm going to draw downtrend working on lower. I'm going to pause, looking to go long for now. So I hope the example makes sense and it was helpful. Good luck your trading.